In this video we will introduce Fragments XML. Now we're going to set up the view for our fragment. Here I have my Fragment.xml, which I referenced in my fragment class. Here I have a linear layout, which is a layout that arranges its children in a single column or a single row. And now what I'm going to do is simply add a label to our fragment. I'm going to use the text view tag. And for the layout width, I'm going to use fill parent. For the layout height, wrap content. And to display on the label, I'm going to use text. And I'm going to reference the constant called portrait message. Remember that we're going to be getting this value from the string constant in our strings.xml file. I'm going to add a color to this. And I'm also going to add text size. I'm going to use 20 pixels. So notice that I'm using PM fragment as the name and LM fragment, as I also did for the classes. As you've probably guessed by now, PM fragment means portrait, and LM fragment is going to be our landscape mode fragment. And here I've already set up my landscape mode fragment, and I've already added a label. And the only difference is the landscape message. I also added a different background with a different color, which we'll look at in the demo. So now we have both our fragments UI set up, and this concludes our discussion of Fragments XML.